How to add Roman page numbers to a document in Microsoft Word. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you practically that how you can add Roman page numbers to a document. So first of all, you will go to Insert. Then in right corner, you will see an option of page number. Click on it. Here you will choose the option Format Page Numbers. By using this option, you can change how your page number will look like. So after clicking this option, there are number formats, and here you can see that there are different options available. So I will choose Roman. After this, OK. So our page format has been changed into Roman. Now you will go to Insert, then click on page number. And here you can see different options at which you can place your page number. I choose bottom of page. I will click on it, and here you can see that Roman page numbers have been inserted. So this is the very simple way by which you can add Roman page numbers to your document. So first of all, you will change the format, and then you will insert the page number. Thank you so much for watching my video.